Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Kinetic molecular theory, assumptions, visualization, and limitations. Correct answer is kinetic molecular theory (KMT) is based on the following assumptions: 1. Gas particles are in constant random motion. 2. Gas particles are separated by large distances relative to their size. 3. Gas particles do not interact with each other except during collisions. 4. Collisions between gas particles and containers walls are perfectly elastic. Visualizations of KMT often depict gas particles as small spheres moving rapidly and colliding with each other and the container walls. Limitations of KMT include its inability to fully explain the behavior of real gases, particularly at high pressures or low temperatures. In these conditions, gas particles may deviate from ideal behavior due to factors such as intermolecular forces and particle volume.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.